The 1300-meter race is on its way. Talilibanan. Ito na ako. Moving up down on the inside to grab the lead. Dolce Ballerina sneaking in by the rail. Then followed by High Grader. Down on the inside, Breaking Bad. Boss G, third last. Second last is El Mundo. And trailing the group is Boss Jaden. Passing the half-mile pole. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Ito na ako. Leading the field in between runners. Dolce Ballerina. Breaking Bad moving up down on the inside. Closing in is the favorite. High Grader as they round towards the 450. Breaking Bad takes up the running on the outside. High Grader, then comes Dolce Ballerina. Boss J's on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Breaking Bad leading the field. Dolce Ballerina, High Grader is on the outside, but it's still Breaking Bad. High Grader still in second, moving up El Mundo, and finally Breaking Bad. Close between El Mundo, High Grader, then comes Dolce Ballerina. Eto na ako, Boss G, Talilibanan, and Boss Jaden.
Okay, dehado pa, cross.